Linking your bank account to TikTok Shop is essential for managing your finances and receiving payments. Follow these steps to set up your bank account successfully. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile page. Step 3. Go to Settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines menu icon at the top right corner to access the Settings menu. Step 4. Select TikTok Shop. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SSRock to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Link your bank account. Look for the option to link your bank account. Enter your bank details as prompted, including your account number and routing number. Follow any additional instructions to verify your account. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to your TikTok Shop, allowing you to manage transactions easily.